where there's innovation, you'll find Aven. Aven, tools for advancing innovation.
Hi, I'm Alex with Aven Tools. Welcome to the Aven Product Launch Showcase. Today, we are proud to introduce a variety of innovative new products that will enhance productivity and effectiveness for all your precision assembly and inspection applications. Whether in the laboratory, classroom, or workbench, these industry-leading tools are certain to improve your experience. And to our valued distribution partners, log on to avenconnect.com for updated pricing, high-resolution images, and our full line of products. Now, let's take a closer look at some of Aven's newest innovations. After 3 years of research and development, as well as listening to customer feedback, we are proud to officially launch our new software package for our MightyScope series digital microscopes, EasyImage X3. With all of the advanced features that operators expect, along with some new ones, all in a redesigned user interface.
So EasyImage X3 is really the culmination of 3 years of us listening to our customers, taking their feedback in on new features they wanted on top of our EasyImage X2. As customers' needs evolved, we evolved with the program as well.
Today, we're proud to offer the latest upgrade in precision inspection, EasyImage X3. EasyImage X3 is easy to set up and use. Simply go to aventools.com/software downloads. Click on the link, fill out the form, and a download link will be sent to your email. EasyImage X3 contains all of the features operators have come to expect from imaging and measurement software, including image and video capture. EasyImage X3 captures high-resolution files to your computer. These files can be viewed within the software itself or within other imaging software programs. Calibration and measurement. EasyImage X3 provides easy-to-use calibration tools. Once calibrated, EasyImage X3 can generate measurements using lines, circles, or angles. Make on-screen notes and arrow drawings to highlight features, defects, or other areas of interest. And compare images side by side. EasyImage X3 has also added new features to meet the demands of today's users as well, such as auto-calibration. EasyImage X3 has the ability to detect circle shapes for auto-calibration. Simply place a printed circle underneath the MightyScope or other compatible camera. Once the circle is detected, a prompt to enter a measurement will appear. Simply type in the correct unit of measurement and EasyImage X3 will be calibrated. Adjustable overlays. Line and circle overlays can be adjusted by accessing their edit menus. Once a line or circle is drawn, simply right-click on the line or circle once they're drawn to access these menus. These overlays can be saved and loaded again for future applications. Differential overlay. When the differential overlay mode is selected, EasyImage X3 captures a freeze frame of the object beneath the camera, then generates a negative live video signal above the freeze frame. When the live video and the freeze frame image are lined up, similarities will appear flat and gray, while differences will stand out. Image overlay. Similar to the differential overlay feature, the image overlay function will generate a transparent live video signal above the freeze frame image, also ideal for comparing differences and similarities.
We're confident that EasyImage X3 is the most powerful software available on the market today for these type of inspection scopes.
To learn more or to set up an online demonstration with our technical assistance team, visit aventools.com.
Now that you've seen the latest in software development, let's take a look at what else Aven has to supplement your work. Our powerful magnifying lamps are an excellent aid in illuminating those otherwise hard-to-find details. This year, we are very proud to offer the new MightyView Pro ESD Safe magnifying lamp with ultraviolet and white LEDs.
The Mighty View Pro UV is a professional-grade magnifying lamp with the ability to easily switch between ultraviolet and standard white LEDs. With the touch of a button, operators can choose to use UV LEDs or standard white LEDs, ideal for home use, industry, medical professionals, and more. With 30 ultraviolet LEDs operating at 400 nanometers, the Mighty View Pro UV is an ideal lamp for uncovering details that remain hidden under normal white LEDs. Ideal for inspecting money, circuit boards, ID cards and credit cards, forensic inspection, and more. For applications that do not require UV lighting, the Mighty View Pro UV also includes 48 adjustable white LEDs. Operators can choose their preferred brightness level with a maximum brightness of 1100 lumen. White LEDs are ideal for a wide range of applications, such as reading, soldering, assembly, and more. The Mighty View Pro UV features an extra-wide 7.5 by 6.2 inch lens, providing a wide field of view at 2.25x magnification. The Mighty View Pro UV has been treated with an ESD-safe coating, preventing electrostatic charges from reaching sensitive components under the lens. And like all Aven magnifying lamps, the arm is fully covered to eliminate the pinch hazards and exposed springs associated with open spring arms. To learn more about the Mighty View Pro UV and other Aven products, visit aventools.com.
Last year, Aven introduced our new wire crimping tools. These patented, easy-to-use crimpers became some of our most popular hand tools. We are proud to expand our line of electrician's tools with 2 new professional wire crimping kits designed for home or industrial use.
Aven's innovative wire crimpers are easy to use and are designed to provide a perfect crimp for wire ferrules, cord end terminals, and heat shrink connectors. The patented design of Aven's wire crimpers allows for easy die replacement, with no tools required to remove dies. The handles are rubberized for a comfortable grip, and the ratchet mechanism makes crimping very easy on the hands. Aven's wire crimpers are available as standalone items, with each die also available separately, or as part of these convenient kits. The 6-piece wire crimping kit comes complete with the wire crimping tool frame and 5 crimping dies designed for insulated terminals and wire ferrules. And the deluxe wire crimping kit includes the crimping tool frame, 5 crimping dies, automatic wire stripper, and a set of wire connectors, and a hard plastic storage case. To learn more about Aven's electrician's tools, visit aventools.com.
Here at Aven, we're always looking for new, innovative ways to streamline inspection applications. Our MightyCam series of inspection cameras provide crystal clear, real-time imaging. Here is a sneak peek at the MightyCam Pro launching later in 2020. Aven has a 37-year history as a leader in high-quality hand tools for precision assembly. We've added to that lineage with avensafetytools.com, featuring thousands of non-sparking, titanium, stainless steel, and insulated tools and equipment designed for critical applications. To learn more about these specialized tools or request a quote, visit avensafetytools.com. We hope you're as excited as we are about these new products and technologies and encourage you to be confident in your purchases. Aven provides exceptional customer service, free product webinars, and full product support to your facility, even after the sale. Trained experts are available on site to help you with your questions or technical issues. Thank you for watching the Aven 2020 Product Launch Showcase.